Okay, so you just lay that down and I give myself a little indicator. And then I basically eyeball it. Okay, so then that becomes something that you just wrap up and use to like gruff things up. And let's replace this guy. Now what happens with these is you get this paint. If I'm doing antiquing or distressing, then it sticks to, the paint sticks to my sanding block. So then that stuff gets gunky and gritty and whatever. And so what you do with these is, and they're not all created equally. I think the 3Ms might be, they're about the same flexibility. I've got a No Name and a 3M brand. But this one has my rough, so I'm going to do this one. There are some teeth. Rusty, can you get in there and see those teeth?
Yeah, just there.
Okay, so those teeth, and this is like a harder job to do. Like you've got to use your like whatever muscles you got going on. And you pull that, and you can just rip it, honestly. Yeah, you can sort of just rip it. And then you take that off, and it's got these little holes that are punched in it, and that's good. And then you take that off of there, and these end up, I always save these parts as just like that throwaway sandpaper. This isn't much good, but there's a big chunk of this here. So I take those, this goes in the trash. All right, you ready? This is dun, dun, dun. Okay, so you lift it up, you shove that sandpaper all the way in as far as you can go, and then you push down on that and you can hear it crunch. I'm gonna be quiet when I do the other side. You wrap it around that side, and then this is the part, you just roll it in there. And you ready? It just kind of crunches. So it doesn't matter if it's a little off centered right there, but now you can sand with a fresh new piece of sandpaper.